Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the iPad hooked up as a MIDI device to my laptop and my digital workstation as a musical instrument. iPad here with the iRig attachment, which is very handy. Plugs in right there at the docking port, and there are a couple of little cords that come out, break out into MIDI cables. Moog running on the iPad, which is a really awesome instrument. A lot of expressive controls available. You'll notice I can use the screen to adjust sound parameters, play any of that, which is also I can play it from the MIDI keyboard. Like so. So what I've done is taken the workstation here and put a drum beat on it with a bass line and some of the MIDI data coming in to feed the iPad.